guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been some time I uploaded any new videos. I've been stuck with a couple of things to get my bike fixed, and then I went for a quick ride, a longer one rather. Between all this I couldn't upload any new videos, but I've been getting a lot of queries regarding regarding a tank bag, what kind of tank bag I use, or if I can suggest something. So I do use a tank bag, which I wanted to share with you guys. I find it very useful. So let me just quickly show you guys the kind of tank bag I use, and give you all the details what you need to know about this. So I'm going to switch my camera. So guys, this is a tank bag which I use. It's called Street Mini. It's a product of nh4motorheads.com. Very convenient and quite spacious tank bag, and the best part is it suits well with the Renegade Commando and Sport model both. So quickly let me show you guys the compartments, things what this bag has. So it got a left pouch, let's give a pouch on both the sides of the bag. It also has a strap, shoulder strap. This shoulder can be hooked onto these two latches, and you can use this as a shoulder bag as well. So the strap comes along with the bag. Then you have a small pocket in the front as well, where you could keep any small items. I usually keep some change just in case when I'm riding. Loose change comes pretty convenient. And then you have a transparent pouch here in front. This I use it, I mean you can use it for multiple purpose, but I use it to keep one of my phones in here. Keep one of my phones in here, and so let's see how the main compartment looks like. So it's just a Velcro text, so you remove it, and this is your main compartment. Quite spacious. I use this to keep my DSLR and my action camera in case I have to put in. So easily I put in one DSLR with an extra lens, and plus additionally I do keep my bike papers in this, and a few other items like extra batteries or things like that. I do keep it inside this. So very convenient, which I need to frequently use it, so that I don't have to open my saddle bag every time. So this comes in very handy. And plus it got additional pockets on top. These are not very big pockets, but pretty decent. You can keep memory cards or batteries, like additional batteries, sort of things. So this bag, I mean, it is not at this state, it does not offer you waterproof. I mean, it's just water resistant. The light shower you could actually get away, but heavy rain, this will not. It's not waterproof. The water might sweep in. So, but not to worry. It has a rain jacket included along with this. So there's a chain here, right here. So you can, and the rain jacket is stitched into the one end of this rain cover is stitched onto the bag, so you'll not lose it. And other end you can just pull it out and wrap it all over the bag, and it completes the 100% water rainproof. And what else? Plus this is extendable, so you see a long chain going around this bag, so you could actually gain about an inch of height if you remove this chain. So easily about an inch, so that give you a little bit more space on this bag. Alright, and onto the bottom it also has additional straps, hooks, which actually if you want, you can actually strap it around the tank in case you want to fix it permanently, or want to feel more safe. But unfortunately, these straps for these hooks doesn't come with the bag, so you probably have to purchase it additionally. Then these are the flaps which actually sits on the tank. These got the magnets. You see that spots? These are heavy duty magnets which actually sticks to your tank when you place it over that. And this has a special material, scratch proof soft material. It feels like a velvetish kind of thing, but it does not leave any scratch on the tank. So let's see how I mount it on the bike. Alright guys, I just came back from a ride last week and the bike right now is super dirty. I haven't got a chance to get the water washed, so you can see that it's completely dusty also. I don't know, something fell over here and it's sticky. Let's see. Alright, so get the handlebar out. So the tank bag going to sit right here. Let me show you guys how to fix that. So this is the bag. So it's going to sit exactly like this here. All I have to do is just get this flaps out and pull it outward so that it sits properly on the tank. Right, so that's how it looks on the bike. You can see that it fits pretty well. It's a strong magnet, and so it does not fall off just like that. I've taken it off road as well, and it is just stays at its place. And you can also see that it does not interfere with your speedometer visibility as well, so you can view your speedometer as well. And to remove this, pretty easy. All you have to do is just pick up and just lift it, and all your flaps are done, and that's it. You can either carry it like this, or the shoulder strap which I showed you, it's in the bag. You can put that and hang it on your shoulder. That is it. Alright guys, if you like this video, do give a thumbs up, and about this bag I will leave the website link in the description below. And if you have any questions, please do write in the comments section below. I will definitely try and reply back to you. Alright, thanks guys, cheers.